Stop chasing clients and start attracting them. Here's how. Working from home but still feeling tied to a rigid schedule? It's frustrating, we get it. Imagine having the freedom to work when you want, from wherever you want. That's not just a dream, it's the reality with Inspyr Training Institute. At Inspyr, we specialize in empowering freelancers and remote workers. Our digital marketing courses are designed to help you attract more clients, increase your earnings, and finally break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Picture this. You're at your favorite cafe, working flexible hours, and your inbox is buzzing with new opportunities. Sounds amazing, right? With Inspyr, that's possible. Join our community and learn the skills you need to stand out in the crowded freelance market. No more stressing over where your next gig will come from. With Inspyr, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take control of your career. Ready to unlock your potential? Enroll now at Inspyr Training Institute and start living the life you've always wanted. Your future is waiting.